All right, let's go ahead and add a fill. Grab a snare, big snares, something like that. That could work actually. Oh, it's not really lined up. Let's go ahead and line it up. We're gonna hit Command 4 or Control 4 on a PC to take off the grid, and then just go ahead and line it up as you see fit. Hit it again, and then let's see if that works. Okay, it's really loud though. Okay, add some reverb onto this. Bring up the decay. Let's go ahead and automate the wet dry so that it has the transient is intact and it doesn't get washed out by the reverb here. And then as the snare, as the transient is done, then the reverb kicks in. All right, let's see if another one will work better. Ooh, that one's kind of cool. I like that. Oh, that one's good. Yeah, okay. That one's way better. Okay, so in this case, I don't want the reverb anymore because that little tail that it's putting is not what I want. But you know what? I kind of want to see how it sounds without it. Okay, yeah, it's not necessary. It's a little loud still though. Let's bring it down. Okay, so we're going to take out some of these because we don't want, it's going to get stagnant and boring if we have all the elements going in all the entire time. So you have to kind of plan out here how it's going to sound. So the initial drop is going to happen with just the claps, and let's try the hats. Or sorry, the toms is what I meant to say. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not even those. Try to just these guys. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty solid. I think that'll work for pretty much our main drum section here. Now that we have all the elements filled in, ready to go, we can start to mold the overall processing of the drums. We can add in drum bus like we have here, and then start basically molding the drums to sound cohesive and like they're all one unit playing together, versus just random loops kind of just shooting off. So let's go ahead and get started on that.